Mommy, this looks messy.
Cool. Tell me how old you are.
2.
When's your birthday?
January.
Where do we live?
Mika.
And where else do we live?
Orem.
Where's your school?
In Provo.
Do you know where Maddie lives?
In Idaho.
And where does Connie live?
I don't know.
We haven't learned that, huh? What did you make?
Turtle.
Cool.
I can make snake right there.
What's your name?
Kylie. I'm gonna see Kylie, Mom.
Kylie what?
Kylie Costin.
How do you spell your name, Kylie Costin?
Y
No.
L E E.
What's the first letter?
And K.
Good job. You want to see you?
Kylie.
Okay.